Welcome from Acumen Accounting. Today, I'm not going to discuss about anything like HMRC or financial issues and things like that, but I'm going to just give you a very important information regarding the gold prices. Why gold prices are increasing. Most of you might have noticed it's increased all-time high, even more than $2,000 per ounce. So last week, the prices was for the gold was all-time high, and according to the financial analysts, and I also think it might hit the target of $4,000 per ounce. Yes, $4,000. It is a massive increase. It's going to be probably change. It all depends on what happened in the US. I know we are in the UK, but these prices, the gold prices and most of the market is basically the reaction start from the US because they are the superpower. So they have the control of basically kind of the world economy. So why gold prices are going up? What is the reason behind it? There's about a number of factors. First of all, it's a low interest rate, massive printing of trillions of dollars and the trillions of pounds by the central bank. They are printing money to support the economy, to support the countries. In the UK, we have noticed that there's people been given by grants, the loans, the bounce back loan, and all these things have been given to the public so they can keep continuing, and they're not going to have a crash in the economy. So they're printing money in trillions. Poor returns on like a traditional kind of investments. That is the reason the investor are putting their money on the gold. So when they're putting the money on the gold, because there is not a residual income, there is a no yield kind of income, but it is a secure investment. The investor is basically kind of a confident. They are putting their money on the gold because that is a very, very secure asset. So they consider it as a very, very valuable asset. So going forward in future, election coming in US in November, they are going to determine what will happen with the gold prices in future. It depends on the results of the elections in the US. If the election in the US go well and fine, and I'm already telling you this could hit to the $4,000 per ounce, but it could reverse on the other way. If the election go well, that price might drop to $1,600, $1,600. So if you are thinking about investing in the gold, and if you are thinking that is a very secure investment and you're looking at the long-term investment, you need to be a little bit careful. You need to keep an eye on the international market. You need to see what's happening in the US, how the interest rate is reacting, what the economy is, because two factors going to determine the future gold prices. Number one is the coronavirus vaccination, how it's going to be, how quick it'll be introduced into the market. If the vaccine is available, people will get vaccinated against this virus. Things probably go back to normal, and investor will shift their investment into the traditional kind of investments, maybe in properties, they just look for the return basically. So they will go into that traditional kind of investments. They might take their money out of the gold. So when they're taking out their money gold, the gold prices will decrease in future, so they might go below $1,600 per ounce. Currently we are seeing, last week it's hit over $2,000, but I think it will definitely reach in $4,000 per ounce in near future. Again, it all depends what happened in US. They are the superpower. They're controlling the economy currently. They are kind of a master, we can say. So whenever you kind of looking at these things, make sure what's happening internationally, what factors are determining, because currently the money's been printing, and they're printing money just to support the economy, just to give the money to the people so they can carry on with their life. But in long term, it's going to hit the economy again. So we need to be very careful what you do. We need to be very careful when we do the investment. Again, if you have any questions and if you think that any valuable information you can add, please leave a comment at the bottom of this video and we will definitely reply you back. And if it's a valuable comment and if you think it's adding any value to any general public and it's helping somebody out there, please leave a comment, or you can share this video with your friends and family. Also subscribe to our channel because by subscribing you will keep getting notifications in any future video. Again, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.